Hey, what's up everyone? So our topic for today is how to find duplicate values on your Excel sheet. So let's get started. First, just highlight all these values and then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then choose duplicate values. So here, if you want to choose duplicate, and then if you want yellow, green, or red, you can do so. You can also use custom format if you wanted. So just hit OK. So here we have 3 professor duplicates. And that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial. Just comment it down below and let's try doing it. And I'll see you on my next video.